Hello everyone, my name is Kai Woods, and today I'm going to be giving you an informational speech on hamsters. What do we actually know about hamsters, and how much of what we think we know is accurate? Well, let's dive into the history of hamsters. The first domesticated species of hamster was the Syrian hamster in the late 1700s. Hamsters were first domesticated to be used in scientific experiments and were continuously bred for this purpose. Hamsters later became so domesticated that they became popular pets. Though the type of research hamsters were used in was in development of cancer and pancreatic illness research. There are generally 5 domestic types of hamsters, though today I'm only going to be talking about 3 of them. Now, what are their characteristics and what makes them different? Well, why not start with the most common one, the Syrian hamster. They are the largest domesticated hamster and are also known as the teddy bear hamster because of how fluffy and their teddy bear appearance. Though they are the biggest hamster, they only have a lifespan of 1 to 2 years. Now, for the second largest hamster, which is the Campbell dwarf hamster. This hamster is easily identified for their white or light grayish appearance and having a black line down their backs. And just like Syrians, they have a lifespan of only 1 to 2 years. Now, for the smallest domestic species of hamster, which is only the length of a human's thumb, an adult human's thumb, which is the Robodorsky dwarf hamster, or robot hamster for short. They can be generally identified with having brownish fur and having white tufts above their eyes, making them look as if they have big bushy eyebrows. Though they are the smallest, they are actually the longest living hamster in captivity, living up to 3 to 4 years. Now, for each of these different types of hamsters, there are different ways that they have to care for them. Though there are some basics that everyone who wants a hamster or any person who just generally wants to understand hamsters has to know. For whatever hamster you may get, there are some basic needs that you have to cover. According to Hamster 101, you have to have a hamster cage about 450 square inches with about 12 inches in height. This is perfect for a happy, healthy hamster, though it is recommended that bigger is better. With knowing this information, you may look into pet stores and realize that a lot of the cages that they sell are way beneath this bare minimum, which is not appropriate for hamsters and doesn't allow them to forage or burrow. Foraging is when a hamster loves to find their own food and go hunting, and burrowing is having tunnel systems underground. And for different types of species of hamsters, there's some different changes that you may have to do with their basic nails. For example, hamster wheel sizes. For a Syrian hamster being the largest, you will have to get quite a large wheel for them to not have any back pains. So for a Syrian, you would have to have 10 to 12 inches in diameter for the wheel. For Campbell's, about the same size, though they are just a bit smaller. And for Robodorskis, you can get away with having about an 8 to 10 inch wheel for maximum comfort for the hamster. And fun fact, hamsters aren't herbivores. Though we may normally see them just eating seeds, they are omnivores and love eating meat along with seeds, fruits, and vegetables. For a happy and healthy hamster, make sure that they always have this type of diet in their system. So, in conclusion, hamsters are a lot more of an interesting pet than we may realize, and they should be cared for as such, for proper housing and proper diet. Hamsters are generally an amazing animal, though you have to make sure that you do the information. But I'm going to leave you with this. No matter what type of animal that you may get, or you may want to research or understand about, always go that extra length into researching about them to make sure that you always get the information you need to take care of this animal. So my resources came from www.sprucepets.com, in Wikipedia /wiki/domestication of Syrians, along with www.alma.us, and with a YouTube video from a channel called Victoria Rachel Basic Hamster Care. Thank you all for joining me for my informational research, and I hope you enjoy it.